the day pretty late. It's already 2:30. But we gotta start it. So, first things first, we gotta feed Coco. Let's get him some food again. Oh, I don't know if I got the countdown last night. Last night was super safe and not filled with any beverages. It was super intense. But feeding Coco. Go eat. It's okay. It's just the camera. I'm not gonna do anything. Go. Oh my gosh. So Coco, when I got him, he was rescued, and there's a bunch of dogs in the pen when we found him, and he was the most scared one, and I was like, that's the one that I want. No, it was my little sister. She wanted him, but I really like Coco. He's a Chihuahua who doesn't bark, who doesn't bite, and he just likes to lick and cuddle. Yes, cuddle. Yeah, and so we got Coco. Ooh. Ooh, but today is filled with cleaning and editing. I don't even think I'm going out at all. I might. I'm supposed to go to the gym, not like workout gym, but like gymnastics gym, because I trick. And we'll see if I go. I need to hit up Matt, who owns it. I think I can go later. I don't know. I'll definitely have to ask. We'll see. We'll see today. Today's mostly editing and cleaning and shirts and crying. Yeah. So I usually procrastinate because I hate editing and I hate doing a lot of things. But this is what this vlog's for. It's hopefully to better myself. But oh my gosh, so I'm rendering video that's supposed to go out today. I didn't edit it in the morning because I was way too tired from last night. You'll see that later. But look at this. A freaking hour just for rendering. It's not even exporting yet. Oh my gosh. Hopefully I can get it up by tonight and then get my second vlog out by tomorrow morning, because that will be edited tonight. Tonight. I'm not gonna have much vlog. Well, I didn't have much to vlog because I'm stuck editing with a lot of breaks in between. I'm gonna get better at this. I'm gonna get better at this. I'm gonna get better at all my stuff. And yeah. So far that's it. Maybe I'll find some friends to hang out with tonight. I don't know. So video finished rendering, so I can export it now. And look how much time it is. Freaking an hour 17 minutes. I really hope it gets up tonight. We'll see. If anything, you can watch my second vlog on how much I complained. So I didn't do anything today. It's gonna be a short vlog. And I know it's only my second one, but I'm sorry I like edited all day because procrastinated and trying to get better at it. Here, wait, TV, please. And yeah. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna tell you why I started this vlog. And the main reason why I started this vlog is because I feel like I need to get my scheduling right, and I'm a bit lazy, even though I do a lot. But yeah, and I just feel like it will help me get out more, because usually I'm just at home, and help get my scheduling right, help me get my life together. I'm definitely looking forward to that. So as you know, I edited all day. I need to edit faster. And especially at night. So that'd be good. And yeah, really need to get on that scheduling. Like fourth time saying it or something. And so I'm gonna do that much more. And so, as promised, as I said in the first vlog, I need to edit and I need to make screens. So I plan to do that now because nobody's home and I think it's like 2 in the morning. And I already fell asleep. Yeah, so my sleep schedule needs to get back on track. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna reset. That means we're gonna stay up all the way up till tomorrow night to get a proper sleeping schedule. So we're gonna reset. So from here on out, I'm going to stay up and have a pretty busy day tomorrow. So enjoy that tomorrow. And yeah. With that being said, uh, later days.